Are you tired of seeing your money disappear every month without a clear reason? Imagine how much you could save if you knew exactly where your cash is going and how to stop the leaks. Stay tuned, because today I'm going to share 6 simple money saving tips that can help you keep more in your pocket, starting right now. Hi, everyone. If you're like most people, managing money can feel overwhelming, especially with so many things pulling at your wallet. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to share 6 straightforward money-saving tips that are easy to implement, and that can make a big difference in your financial life. Whether you're saving for a big goal, paying off debt, or just want to stretch your paycheck, these tips will work for you. First things first, track your spending. I know it sounds simple, but you'd be amazed how much money leaks out each month without you even realizing it. Start by tracking everything. Yes, everything. From that coffee you grab on your way to work to your monthly subscriptions, apps like Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet can make this process so much easier. Cut to a graphic showing categories like groceries, subscriptions, entertainment, etc. Once you know where your money is going, it becomes much easier to spot areas where you can cut back. And don't forget, small savings add up. Next, automate your savings. Instead of trying to save whatever is left at the end of the month, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account as soon as you get paid. Even if it's just $20 or $50, it adds up over time. Plus, automating your savings means you're less likely to spend that money on something unnecessary. Tip number 3. Review your subscriptions. It's so easy to sign up for streaming services, gym memberships, or even meal kits, and forget about them. But those small monthly charges can really add up. Take a look at your subscriptions and ask yourself, do I really need this? Cut to a person cancelling a subscription on their phone. Now, let's talk about food. Eating out is convenient, but it's also expensive. Instead, try meal prepping and cooking at home. It might seem like a hassle at first, but trust me, it saves you a ton of money. You can buy ingredients in bulk, make large batches, and freeze meals for later. Cut to a shot of healthy homemade meals in containers. Tip number 5. Buy generic brands. When it comes to groceries, household products, and even over-the-counter medications, the generic versions are often just as good as the name brand products, but at a fraction of the cost. Don't let fancy packaging fool you. Try the generic option and keep the savings. And finally, create a budget and stick to it. This is the foundation of any successful money-saving strategy. Whether you use a pen and paper or an app like YNAB, you need a budget. Having a plan is key. Budgeting helps you prioritize your spending, ensure you're saving, and avoid overspending in any one area.